Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the AID Current Affairs series going on for NABARD Graded 2025 exam, where we cover such current affair that would help you in attempting MCQs and also that can be utilized in descriptive writing and also to in general understand that what are the updates that are there in ARD sector in India. And the news that we are covering today, they are more sort of news that can be used in your descriptive answer writing. मतलब ये ऑब्जेक्टिव पर्सपेक्टिव से थोड़ा कम है. 1-2 क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर. आई टेल यू दैट what can be asked in objective, but rest about it is more from the descriptive understanding. First is your Minister of Electronics launches indigenous agri-tech innovation. Indigenous means something that is native to the country, means domestic. Agri means agriculture, tech means technology. So we are talking about technology and agriculture. Union Agriculture Minister reviews modern farm machineries in Punjab. So there are some modern farm machineries, why they are important, we will discuss about it. Union Agriculture Minister reviews strengthening of Krishi Vigyan Kendra across India and Gram Chopal at Gorakhpur. So recently this has happened. What is Gram Chopal? This is mainly this is we need to understand. Rest apart, there's no such different news in this particular last title. Okay, coming to first news, that is your Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. They have announced the transfer of technology for several indigenous agri-tech innovation. Okay, we know that how government is trying to incorporate technology in agriculture. Why so? Because then in that case what happens, your input that is being given into the agriculture, the that is very less and comparatively the output is more. And why technology is being why technology is important? In simple language, it just to ease our life, right? So same thing has to be done in agriculture also. A very basic example if I give you, that for example a farmer is using maybe indigenous plow or maybe with the help of bullocks. If he's plowing the land, it will take a lot of time, okay? And the similar time can be reduced to very much extent by using a tractor. Means not similar work, that will be the time taken for the similar work can be reduced by using a tractor, and that saved time can be used for various other activities, right? So that is why technology in agriculture is very important, not only for time saving and productivity, but also to have better quality. If at very initial stages, if government is able to not government, I'm sorry, the farmer is able to understand that what is needed in the field and act accordingly, the product becomes better, okay? And also I want to highlight, agriculture is not just limited to plants, but we are talking about all allied sector also. For example, in this particular case, if we see for dairy based farmers also, there are a lot of technologies will be transferred. Electronic based dairy solution, okay, for real time cattle health, okay? Real time means that in the very early stages, if cattle is having any disease or any health issues, can be tracked, so that at the very start only it can be the disease can be taken care of, okay? And metistis, so metistis ek kind of you can say this is a health condition in cows, because of which what happens, the cow is not able to give milk, ठीक है? तो उसके मॉनिटरिंग के लिए भी कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर होंगी, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जांपल कॉलर माउंटेड डिवाइस, कॉलर मींस लाइक अ बेल्ट, ठीक है? या आपका जैसे बोलते हैं पट्टे की तरह एक कॉलर माउंटेड डिवाइस होगी जिसका नाम क्या है, गोपी, ठीक है? दैट इज फॉर व्हाट, दिस इज फॉर दिस, इन दिस व्हाट विल हैपन, basically if it will, this particular device, it will track the temperature uh, in the cattle, and because of the changes in temperature, like if cattle is having any problem, then at the initial stage only it can be taken care of, ठीक है? तो गोपी एक डिवाइस आपकी है, ठीक है? इसके अलावा लॉन्च सेंसर बेस्ड सिस्टम्स लाइक RIGE सेंस, ठीक है? दिस इज फॉर योर राइस, कि राइस की क्वालिटी कैसी है. एज आई सेड दैट एग्रीकल्चर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ एंटरप्राइजेस, राइट? सो इन डेयरी सॉल्यूशन गोपी का आपको ध्यान रखना है. सेकेंडली जैसे जो आपके ये ग्रेन्स है, when grains are harvested, right, to take care of the like the physical condition, if they are not being infested by any pest or any disease or anything, so for that these sensors are there. तो आपका जो RIG सेंस है, दिस इज फॉर राइस. ग्रेन एक्स किसके लिए है आपका, दिस इज फॉर योर लेंटिल्स, ऑल ग्रेन्स, ठीक है? एंड CTVIU ये आपका किसके लिए है, दैट इज फॉर योर चिलीज, ठीक है? फॉर क्रॉप क्वालिटी एंड मॉनिटरिंग के लिए, ठीक है? इसके अलावा वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड इंडस्ट्रियल साइट के लिए भी जो आपकी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है, इट विल disseminate one technology with the name odor pravah. हाँ, ओडोर का मतलब क्या होता है, बेसिकली आपकी स्मेल होता है, ठीक है। तो रियल टाइम ओडोर एंड एमिशन मॉनिटरिंग की कितनी स्मेल, मतलब वो कितनी स्मेल आ रही है उस जगह से, एमिशन क्या हो रहा है वहाँ से, वेस्ट से जो भी आपके ये ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज हैं इन सब का, ठीक है। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस विल चेक ऑन दैट, ठीक है। इसके अलावा ये सब किसके अंदर, अब नाउ व्हाट एवर टेक्नोलॉजीज वी हैव सेड दैट दोज विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड इन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर बाय द मिनिस्ट्री, इट विल बी अंडर एग्री एन एक्स प्रोग्राम, ठीक है। एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम इज implemented by, although this is under this ministry, but it is implemented by Center for Development of Advanced Computing Kolkata, which is in Kolkata, ठीक है। तो that is about your news number 1. Coming to news number 2 about modern farm machinery system, ठीक है। So recently our union minister he had a visit in पंजाब, ठीक है। नूरपुर एक विलेज है वहाँ पे पंजाब में, वहाँ पे वो गए थे। एंड वाई दिस पर्टिकुलर village is very famous, or it's like a model for others, because since 2017 there has been no stubble warning, stubble burning, ठीक है। what is stubble burning? Basically जो when the grains are harvested, the whatever body that is left on the field, ठीक है, that is known as stubble. Now what happens usually, what farmers do now, one like for example in one season one crop now has been harvested, now the farmer has to sow seed for the another season, right? So what is the easiest way of clearing the land? Because in Punjab especially the lands are like very big, they are very big, they are in lot of hectares, and farmers does not have that much. As of now, now farmers are flourishing, and they are having this tractors and stuff, if not at individual level, by cooperative societies, right? But usually what the case is that because proper technologies are not there, so farmer they just used to burn the particular field, the stubbles they burn, and then after that the farmer used to sow the crops, okay, the next crops. Now because of that, what was happening, it was leading to air pollution, and especially if you look at it, especially in winter season, in Diwali and around the Diwali season, there is always this controversy in Delhi that it has a lot of polluted air at that time, right? So there are many reasons for it, okay, one of being the stubble burning also. Now you're thinking that it's happening in Punjab and how in Delhi, because of the डायरेक्शन ऑफ द विंड, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द रीजन, ठीक है। तो अब इसलिए गवर्नमेंट व्हाट डज इट डू, इट फोकसेस अ लॉट ऑन दिस फैक्टर दैट फार्मर्स दे डोंट बर्न स्टबल। इन हिंदी यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ कि पराली जल रही है, आपने इफ यू माइट हैव हर्ड दैट इन न्यूज, सो दैट इज द स्टबल बर्निंग ओनली, ठीक है। So now what government aims that instead of burning it down, what you can do, either you can chop it off and just spread it into the field, so that what can happen, moisture loss from the field cannot happen, and it will ultimately help the farmer. Moisture loss will not happen, and the soil erosion will not take place, right? Or otherwise what can be done, that these stubbles can be cut down and then they can be transported to the dairy sector. Why dairy sector? Because these stubble act as fodder for the animals, okay? So these things can be done. So government is focusing on that, but for them, for doing this, there has to be good technologies that exist. There has to be such tractors that can हेल्प द फार्मर टू अचीव दीज ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, ठीक है। तो वहाँ पे डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हुआ है किसका, ये दो टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं वी हैव, ठीक है। वन इज योर एस एस एम एस इज अ फुल फॉर्म, सुपर स्ट्रॉ मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। सो बेसिकली आपका पहले क्या था, व्हाट इज अ हार्वेस्टर, ठीक है। हार्वेस्टर मीन्स विच हार्वेस्ट, एंड कंबाइन हार्वेस्टर मीन्स, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, हियर इन दिस केस व्हाट हैपेंस, there is this device which is known as combine harvester, where what happens, the device ट्रैक्टर इट कट्स इट हार्वेस्ट द ग्रेन ऑल्सो, ठीक है। उसके बाद स्पेशली जैसे वीट के केस में, सो वीट हैज हस्क, ठीक है, वीट हैज कवरिंग अराउंड इट, ब्राउन हस्क, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इट डज, दिस हार्वेस्टर फर्स्ट कट द grains, then segregated within the tractor only, it segregates these husk and wheat, and then collect wheat, these clear wheat in a storage unit. So this is known as combine harvester, because it is doing everything, harvesting, threshing, everything it is doing, okay. Now in that what is done, this is fitted super straw management system, this another you can say part is fitted in this combine harvester. This is a new device. In this what happens, on one hand this combine harvesting thing is happening, and on the other hand this particular new fitted portion which is there, it cuts down the stubble simultaneously and it mix it with the soil. So यहाँ पे आपकी जो mulching का concept है वो achieve हो रहा है. What is mulching? When you cover up the soil, ठीक है, then to reduce the soil moisture, to stop soil erosion, and also when we use organic mulches, what happens, they would ultimately decompose and they would add nutrient into the field, right? So this is known as mulching. Okay, mulching is covering up. Mulching can be done with the help of plastic sheets also, but naturally also. Okay, so here now this SSMS, this particular part which is fitted in combine harvester, it what will it do, it will simultaneously churn up the stubble and then it will spread it across the field. So that is a good thing, right? And second is Happy Smart Seeder. Happy Smart Seeder, now this is different device. The first one was a different device, this is a different device. And how it can help, so basically what it does, like for example, up now in the field there is stubble all over, okay, and man lo farmer do not have this SSMS fitted combine harvester. Do they have any other option? Yes, do they have, and which is your Happy Smart Seeder. What is does, for example, in the field from the previous crop the stubble is on the land, okay. Now what this particular Happy Smart Seeder, what it does, at the same time only it will do tillage in the field. Now what is tillage if you don't know? So tillage is its definition says mechanical manipulation of the soil, ठीक है. What does it mean? सिंपल बताओ, जैसे खोदना, मिट्टी को खोदना थोड़ा जिससे क्या हो, what will be the objective achieved by it, that there will be space for exchange of gases, there will be pores where water can penetrate into the soil, right? So tillage is very important, ठीक है. So in this what happens, see, on the same go only tillage is also happening, so uprooting of crop residues is also happening on simultaneously, जो seed है वो भी साथ में ले होते जाते हैं. Now why is it important, right? We can do it multiple time. At one time we could have done the tillage, another time we could have sown the seeds and all that, and that used to happen previously. But now what we have understood, that the more you do tillage in the field, or the more you use tractors in the field, that actually degrades the quality of soil texture. So when now we have started studying agriculture, we have understood that yes, tillage do have its benefit, but if it is continuously done in the field, it leads to more losses. And that is why scientists, they are developing such devices where the minimal this tillage is done in the field. So this Happy Smart Seeder is leading to that, because at one go only it is uprooting everything also, and simultaneously it is digging up soil also, that is the mechanical manipulation of soil, and then simultaneously sowing the seeds as well. So it is also a good equipment that is very I would say technologically advanced and need of the hour also, ठीक है. Benefit क्या, अब जो जब Mr. Shivraj, when he went there and he demonstrated this equipment, तो इसका क्या क्या benefit बताया. Within 2 years of good residue management and direct seeding, क्या होगा इससे, nitrogen content in soil increase. How it will increase? Because these stubbles will be mixing up with the soil, so they will be providing nutrients into the soil. Yields may rise up to 2 quintal per hectare because of soil texture has not been degraded, right? And along with that, this organic material has been added into the soil, right, because of the mixing of stubble into the field. Okay, coming to next news, यूनियन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर स्ट्रेंथनिंग केवीके अक्रॉस इंडिया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक मीटिंग हुई थी, ठीक है, जिसमें बात की गई थी अबाउट हाउ टू स्ट्रेंथन कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र. कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र आर लाइक अ लिंक between the scientist as well as the farmers, so it's kind of a lab to land, you can say, connectivity. So in laboratory whatever new technologies are being created, ठीक है, or whatever new research is done, ठीक है, so all these things, there has to be one channel, that whatever in the lab, whatever new discoveries are taking place, that has to be shared with the farmers in the right sequence also, and in the appropriate way also, right? For example, in lab, for example, we got to know that in the lab, that okay, doing more and more tillage in field, it will degrade the soil quality, right? Now for that, what can be done, there are various intercultural operations that can be performed in a limited manner, and that would help in the field. ठीक है, अब how this information can be shared with the farmer, ठीक है, and how this demonstration can be given to the farmer. For example, अब in this previous case, because it was the union minister of agriculture, that is why this in this demonstration he was present. You need to understand that in this demonstration he was present, but obviously he himself would not have that much knowledge of these particular equipments, right? He might have an idea, he might have gathered the information, but how to actually implement, use these, right? He might have limited idea, right? So those people who have first understood from the lab that okay, this is how implementation can be done in the field, maybe of these tractors or equipments, or maybe of any other research that has been done in the land, and to explain it to farmer and show them the demonstration that see, you should do xyz thing in this manner, that would help you in the field. That is what the responsibility of kvk is. ठीक है, dissemination of the knowledge that a lab has generated, ठीक है, absorbing that, understanding that, and then sharing that with the farmer, ठीक है, and then training them properly, ठीक है, and extension services for the farmer. What you need to understand from this, kvk के बारे में जरूरी है जानना, because this is part of your syllabus, static syllabus. Previously there has been straightforward static question from kvk, and currently 731 kvk है. फर्स्ट आपका कहाँ था? पौडुचेरी में था आपका, 1974 आई गेस, वहाँ पे उस टाइम में स्टैब्लिश हुआ था पौंडीचेरी में, ठीक है, दैट यू शुड नो. फाइनली ग्राम चौपाल हुआ आपका डुमरी खुर्द गोरखपुर में. सो व्हाट इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ ग्राम चौपाल, वो अंडरस्टैंड करना है. सो ग्राम मीन्स विलेज, चौपाल मीन्स मीटिंग. अगर आप हिंदी में समझे मीटिंग, हिंदी का वर्ड समझे तो मीटिंग होता है, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ ग्राम चौपाल is that time to time there is a kind of a program that is held, in which what happens, the farmers or the self-help groups or panchayat members or anybody, any sort of group, they can directly talk with the government officials, so that they can share their problems, and also in case if government has come up with any schemes, or maybe any initiative that can help the farmer, even the government official can share that with these people, so that ultimately their livelihood can be improved, ठीक है. Emphasis on Chapal was given on community government collaboration. There has to be a collaboration, right? और इसमें इस चौपाल जो conduct हुई थी, इसमें basically government they shared awareness for the agriculture diversification. Means not just get stick to the crops, but there are other enterprises in agriculture. You should identify them and adopt for that, ठीक है. Adopt animal husbandry, fisheries and beekeeping alongside farming. Why diversification is very important? First of all, our field, it will not be degraded. अगेन वही सेम कंसेप्ट है कि जो एनवायरमेंट है दैट हैज टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड, राइट. इफ यू डू कांस्टेंट फार्मिंग, द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर टेकन आउट फ्रॉम इट, सॉइल टेक्सचर डिक्लाइंस, each and everything. And secondly, it is also very important that if you stick to just one enterprise and due to any reason failure happens of that enterprise, for example, you're just growing crops, and due to any natural calamity your crops, they crop failure occurs. Now you don't have any source of income, right? But if you had 2-3 enterprises, for example, maybe the crops has died, but you had 2-3 cows, and from their milk selling you still have some income, right? Or other way around, for example, you were just doing animal husbandry. We am talking about why diversification is important, okay? That is known as your mixed farming, ठीक है. तो सेकेंड है आपका, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आप एनिमल हस्बेंड्री करो, ठीक है. अब एनिमल हस्बेंड्री में यू आर डूइंग यू आर जस्ट डूइंग एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. अब ड्यू टू एनी रीजन डिजीज स्प्रेड हो गई और कैटल्स दे डाइड, और मे बी दे नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस मिल्क. नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू इन दैट केस, ठीक है. सो दैट इज योर that is why diversification is very important. Now let's do some question. Which ministry announced the transfer of technology for indigenous agri-tech innovation? ठीक है, तो pause the video, look for the option, but correct answer is यहाँ पे Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The GoPi device is associated with which of the following mentioned? तो ये आपका क्या है, हेल्थ ट्रैक करना कैटल की और मेटास्टिस के केस के लिए, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग like device monitors odor and emission at waste management sites? Usually if you look at previous year questions of NABARD in this current affair format, you would realize that ठीक है, अगर कोई न्यू पोर्टल लॉन्च हुआ है, कोई नया ऐप लॉन्च हुआ है, या कोई डिवाइसेस हैं, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपके पूछ लिए जाते हैं. दैट इज वी आर जस्ट कवरिंग इट. ओडोर प्रवा इज द नाम. देन मीटिंग हाउ मेनी कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र ऑपरेट अक्रॉस इंडिया? एज ऑफ नाउ अभी कितने? तो ये एक आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, ठीक है. इट्स अ गुड वन, ठीक है. 731 है अभी. विच सेंसर बेस्ड एग्रीकल्चर वॉज लॉन्च फॉर एग्रीकल्चर क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन से हमने देखे थे? हमने देखा RIG, दैट इज फॉर राइस, grain, lentils के लिए, and CTVIU was for chili. Now this is a homework question. What is the key function of Happy Smart Seeder demonstrated in October 2025? So that is all for today. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. Thank you.